Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how we can create YouTube channel logo using Canva. So guys, if you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and click subscribe button down. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, open canva.com in your browser URL and then create an account or login if you have account on Canva. So you need to use Google or Facebook to log in. Then after logging in, you're going to get this page. And on this page itself, you have an option called logo. So click on it. And guys, if you see, the resolution is 500 into 500 pixel for logo. So click on this. Once you click on it, then a new tab will open and it will show you a blank canvas. So this canvas is for logo and its resolution is 500 into 500 pixels. Then guys, at the left side we have an option called designs. Under this designs option we have different types of templates and we have different types of categories. So depending on our YouTube channel category, we need to select the basically the category of a logo template. Suppose I want to create logo for travel channel. So I'll say travel. Okay. So once I click on travel, then I will get all the template for travel channel. If I want to create for vlog, okay, then I will get all the templates for vlog. So let me select this one. So once we select, then the template will get added in the blank canvas. And now if you see, now the logo is shown. Now we can customize this logo to whatever requirement that we have. And now guys, let me customize this. So I'll change this particular text heading. Okay, I'll select it and I'll say code it, and I'll say learn for fun. Okay. Now guys, I don't want this particular image. So what I can do is that I can remove it. So I'll select and I'll delete. Now go under elements, and under elements, let's add basically since we are creating for vlog, I'll say vlog. Okay, and I'll press enter. Now click on graphics. Over here we have different type of graphics. So the ones which are shown over here with the tag called Pro are the paid ones. So you need to be on Canva paid plan to use them. Now let me select a free one. So let me search for one. So let me use this one. Okay. So let me use this one. So let's add it over here. So guys, if you see, I can just click an element and I can increase or decrease the size, and even I can place it wherever I want by just dragging it on top or at the left side or the right side. Also, I can add more elements if I want. Like I'll say travel, okay, and press enter. So once I click on it, I get all the travel elements and I'll add one. Okay, so let's add one. So let's select this one. Okay, and once I select, it will be added. So there we go, and let's customize it little bit, or we'll place it over here and we'll shift it this side, and will also increase the size. So that's how we have created the logo. I can also change the background of this logo by just clicking on the outer this portion, basically the layer. Okay, and I'll get the option to change the background color. So select the background color and change the background color to whatever you want. So there you go, how you can change. Now, guys, you can also create similar YouTube logos for your channel, and you can use it on your YouTube channel. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to create YouTube channel logos. If this video was helpful to you, then please go ahead and the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications with my new videos. So guys, that's all in this video. Thank you.